This is the new America. Just a broken neighborhood, an empty house here, a lost family there, twisted remains, an explosion that leaves nothing standing in its wake. All we ever wanted was a little corner of this world to raise our families and to praise our God, to sing our songs, but now just an empty house here, a broken dream there, and a vacant chair abandoned alongside a curb.